The price of oil and natural gas soared at escalating attacks in the Persian Gulf caused long-term damage to major energy facilities. The third week of the war is already reshaping the global energy market for years to come. Qatar said Iran's strike damage to its key gas plant will take years to repair. The world now faces what appears to be the largest energy crisis in history. There is a historic divergence in oil prices across regions. Oman crude hit a record $173 per barrel on Wednesday, surpassing even the 2008 financial crisis spike. Dubai crude also surged to an all-time high of above $150. This is the first time both crude prices crossed $150 a barrel. On the other hand, Brent was closing in on $120 and US crude rose to over $97. The gap between Oman and US prices now stands at over 70% or more than $70. To put that historic divergence into context, remember the difference between oil benchmarks before the Iran war was just about $5. US crude is now trading at a discount of about $20 to Brent. That is one of the largest gaps on record. Brent and US crude are priced based on US and European supply conditions, while the actual disruption is concentrated in West Asia. That means they do not fully capture the severity of the physical shortage yet. In the Strait of Hormuz does not reopen soon, Brent and US crude will ultimately reprice higher. That suggests the real oil crisis has not even reached Western markets fully yet. European gas futures surged as much as 35% to more than double their pre-war level, and European diesel futures topped $190 a barrel at one point on Wednesday. That underscores the wider inflationary risk from the conflict. As the oil rally extended, global markets took a beating on Wednesday with a deep sell-off across markets. Bonds, stocks, cryptos, and precious metals fell sharply. About $3 trillion were wiped out from precious metals as gold crashed below $4,550 and silver dumped below $70. Gold was down nearly 7%, wiping out $2.36 trillion in market value. Silver was down over 13%, wiping out $580 billion.